Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Walmart gift card online right there in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. For that matter, the first thing that you would like to do is simply go ahead, open up your Walmart app right there in your mobile phone. Once your app is simply open up right there in your phone, what you're going to do is you're going to simply go ahead, tap on this card icon on top right corner of your screen. Go ahead, tap on it, and this will simply open up all of the orders, all of the products that you have added here in your cart. Then you're going to simply go ahead and tap on this continue to checkout option given below in blue box. This will simply open up simply the payment and the product information. Then if you scroll down, you'll find this payment method including pay with cards, and you can see if you tap on this payment method, the other method that they accept, you're going to find them, and you're going to find this other way to pay, which includes PayPal and Affirm. Since you would like to use our card, you can see here in the list of cards there is a gift card available, and then you're going to enter your gift card number over here given in this box below. Make sure it's correct over here that you have gotten. Once you're done entering the particular gift card number, you will tap on this save card option, where you go ahead, you're going to do your transaction with that particular gift card number that you had. That's how you can simply use your gift card, and you can even redeem your gift card by purchasing a particular product right there in Walmart. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.